Hey guys, how to do jump rope in Ink game. The jump rope minigame is one of Ink game's most deceptively hard challenges. On the surface, it looks like a fun side activity, but it's really a test of timing, rhythm, and stamina management. So, finally, the jump rope challenge. The jump rope is usually hidden in a side courtyard, or unlocked after rebelling 3 times in the guard round. If you haven't found it yet, check side alleys and look for NPC kids holding the rope. How it works: 2 NPCs swing the rope, and you must time your jump to avoid getting tangled. The rope speed increases every 10 jumps. After 50 jumps, modifiers kick in. The rope may glitch, double, or swing backward. So, controls for jump rope: if you are using keyboard or controller, press jump space or an A and X just as the rope reaches the ground. The timing: the game actually uses a rhythm algorithm. If you sync with the rope's sound rather than visuals, your chances of success skyrocket. So, 30 jump, ink tokens, basic currency; 50 jumps, cosmetic badge or rope master; 100 jumps, hidden skill unlock, usually stamina recovery boost or extended dash frames. So, a couple tips or few tips for beating jump rope: don't look at the rope itself. Watch its shadow on the ground for perfect timing. Turn on sound effects. The rope has a subtle whoosh sound that helps keep rhythm. If you jump too much outside the rope rhythm, stamina drains unnecessarily, making you stumble. So, patience wins. Most players fail after 40 to 50 jumps because they panic when the rope speeds up. Stay calm. It's rhythmic, right? Not random. So, practice with the rope in training mode if unlocked. Once you internalize the rhythm, you can hit 100 plus jumps consistently. Alright? So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.